how we thought about agile testing then versus where we are now. What are the key differences that you think?
Well, I think the big difference is now that the recognition that not everybody can be an agile tester. The level of proficiency necessary to be a really good agile tester is a lot higher than the tester from 10, 15 years ago. You know, people used to go into testing because it was easy, right? Oh, I can't be a programmer, but I'm good at tech stuff, so I'm going to be a tester.
Right.
And it almost, the profession almost seemed, have this derogatory tone applied to it. But now, an agile tester needs to know how to code, needs to know systems thinking, needs to know all these things. And again, being biased as somebody who self-identifies as a tester, I think it's a lot harder to be an agile tester than an agile developer. As a developer, you learn your framework, you learn a couple patterns, solid principles, and it's just the implementation of all these things. And often in a silo. Whereas in the agile testing world, you need to take the holistic view, which is a lot more to wrap your brain around. Not only from, well, how is it implemented, where are the problems going to be in the database, using the pattern that they use, but also managing your time. Now, if you're doing automation or not. There's all these other toolkits and stuff that need to be applied. So, in general, and even going forward, like skipping forward in time, 10, 15 years, I suspect what you'll see, the people that identify as agile testers are going to have the same programming chops as people that are in the dev side of the community. You're already starting to see that movement, and I think it's just going to continue progressing.